Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to add multiplayer videos on YouTube Shorts. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. Alright, open YouTube and plus, then start recording. Alright, and stop and click on left corner and select video, trim video, 5 seconds. Alright, press done and start recording, stop and click on recording and check. Alright, and alright, 3, 4, 5, start recording. Alright, recording, press next and click on caption, title, write and press done. Click on left corner and check and select preview. Alright, press done. Visibility public and this save draft and save draft or upload short. Well, that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye.